Welcome to MethodAlgo Discord terminal. If you're watching this, it means you've taken your first step toward mastering the markets. Congratulations. In this quick video, I'll walk you through signing up for a free trial, setting up indicators and alerts, starting your self-training, and how to get help whenever you need it. First, to get started, sign up for our free trial, which gives you access to our premium TradingView indicators, market and news alert channels on Discord. Here's how. Go to the Get Access channel, tap the trial button, enter your email and TradingView username. If the username is valid and your email is new to our system, access will be granted automatically. Already signed up on our MethodAlgo web portal? Find your Discord binding code there, tap Bind Account button in Get Access channel, and follow the prompts to connect with your Discord account. And voila! You now have full access to 4 of our most powerful indicators on TradingView, plus our live market alerts and curated news streams in Discord. During your trial period, you'll have access to almost everything we offer to our paid members. Although the trial is short, it's more than enough to experience the insights, power, and precision our tools provide. You'll see how working with the right tools and the right information not only saves time, but makes trading clearer and more confident. Now, let's get you set up. You'll notice many channels in the Discord terminal. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming. We recommend you focus only on indicators and strategies for now. Without our indicators to properly analyze them, all alerts and news can feel like noise. To stay focused, mute the advanced alerts and L3 signals categories for now. You can re-enable them later when you're ready. Then, we can move on to TradingView. Find our indicators under the Invite Only section. Make sure to fully refresh your chart to reset permission cache before add them. No matter if you're on a TradingView free or paid plan, we suggest adding indicators one at a time. Read the docs before exploring new tools. For complex tools like Power Ranger and Liquidity Detective, start with everything disabled. Then enable tools one by one as you read the guide. This helps isolate signals visually for better learning. Our recommended learning curve. Power Ranger for structure and confluence. Then the Liquidity Detective for timing and oscillation cycle. And finally, our members' favorite, Grim Reaper, for optimal price level targeting. All indicators are documented on our docs site. If anything is unclear, ask an indicator questions channel. Our team will assist you. We hope you enjoy your trial, gain real value from it, and even make some profit along the way. Remember, always test strategies in TradingView's paper trading before going live. We look forward to welcoming you as a full member soon.